how to allow or disable alarm or notification sounds in calls on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in the call settings, go down and then tap on Call Alerts in Ringtone. After that, tap on Allow Alarm or Notification Sounds in Calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch this on to allow alarm and notification sounds. Otherwise, we can switch it off to disable it. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.